Yes. Ganda ng fish. You like it here, Kuya? You like it here?
Wow.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Wow. This is our Rufus. Jump, jump, fast jump. Jump, jump. Yes. Ah, look at here, look at there. Meron kaming pool view. Wait. Wait. Wow! Nice! Ganda ng view natin ah. So, maliligo tayo mamaya. Yes, sir. Sofa, naging sofa bed. Diba? So, pwede. Right? Faza? Dito yung view namin. Hi, Umi. Happy anniversary. So, eto yung CR. Ganda. Yes, sir. Mas may ano dito. May... hindi pa na nakikita yung ano sa likod. Anyway, so we are here at Dusit Thani Residence Hotel. Ito yung kanilang pool. Maliligo kami. Kasama nung anak ko. And ito yung amazing dito, guys. If you are here sa Dusit Thani, ang ilahang Dusit Gourmet here is 50% na ang lahat ng bread every 4 p.m. Let's check. Lahat na nakikita nyo daw dito 50% off. Yes, sir. 50% off.